Warning, this video contains spoilers for the June 2023 Archer and Olive subscription box, so if you don't want the surprise spoiled, then it's time to look away. If, like me though, you're a super curious person, let's have a look. In our previous video, we had a look at our adventuring sticker set. This one offered a bunch of different designs, all in the color palette that we have for the box. Things like stamp designs, little washi strips, and other summer camp related decoration. In this video though, we have our next item, which is this, which you might be able to tell is indeed another notebook. We're just gonna get straight on into it. It is an A5 size, and in this one we're seeing a return of a motif we've seen before, which is the little "you got this" flag. Now we don't really have this kind of blue anywhere else in the box, but we'll get the notebook out carefully and have a proper look. This one is indeed a 192-page notebook with dot grid pages. And this is a close contender for my favorite item in the box. Of course, we already mentioned that it's one of the pens that I like the most, but the little "you got this" label I think would make it perfect for something like a goals journal. Having a look at the features though, we of course have the elastic closure in the same kind of color as the notebook. We have the black pen loop on the side, the two bookmarks, one having a little golden ampersand charm, and this matches the gold emblem on the front of the notebook. The linen on this one is more of that kind of tight weave linen compared to the kind of looser weave, I guess, or like bigger weave, I guess you could say, which we saw on the Travelers and in some of our older Archer and Olive linen notebooks. So this linen is a little bit more akin to what we've been seeing more recently from the company. You can see we have the new spine design on this one, the one that's supposed to be a little bit more like a regular hardbound book. We don't have any gilding on the pages, and the pages are white paper. We open it up and have a look inside. On the inside cover, we again have that gold foiling with the same floral and leaf pattern that we saw on the other notebook. And it is super gold, super shiny, very pretty. We have the nameplate page, or the "this book belongs to" section. And then after this, we are straight on into the dot grid paper. This is the same dimensions as a typical Archer and Olive A5, so 13 centimeters or 26 dot grid boxes across, and 19 centimeters or 38 dot grid boxes down. We do indeed have a 5mm dot grid, and in the back we have our usual gusseted pocket. None of the pages are perforated, and they are all bright white like we usually expect from Archer and Olive. It's also good to note that this is the item I mentioned in the water bottle reveal video, where we talked about how it actually fits into the sub box. As I said before, I think this would be perfect for something like a goals journal or like a positive affirmations journal. You could kind of talk about what you're struggling with throughout this journal and then kind of planning out your ways forward, just because it's got that kind of motivation at the front to be like, you've got this, you can do it, we believe in you. This one being an A5 means that it will certainly be added into my notebook rainbow. And if you were curious to see that one and my entire lineup of journals, then this video is the one to check out. Or if you'd prefer to see the other videos we have related to this sub box, the playlist at the bottom is for you. Click or tap on either of those and I'll see you over there.